Hi everybody, Mrs. Corwin here. I'm here today to show you how to use Prezi.com for presentations. So once you are ready, go to Prezi.com and create your account. You just want to log in with Google, create an account with Google, and that'll be fine. Okay, so once you're in here, you have your options. We're going to go to Prezi Present. Prezi has a lot of features that make it cool and different than Google Slides in that it moves from one frame to the next in a different way. And you can go from your categories to your subcategories and show the way that a subject fits together better than you can in Google Slides. Okay, so once I'm in here, I want to create from a template because Prezi has a lot of cool templates. And so using one of those is going to help you out a lot. You want to choose a template that goes along with your subject matter. So for example, if you're doing something that is a journey or that builds from one thing to the next, you might want to choose the road ahead. And if you're doing something with psychology, you might like This Is My Mind. So just go along, choose the template that fits your subject, the colors that kind of fit your theme, and be a little picky about what you want to choose. All right, so once you've decided on your template, you can get going. I want to show you a Prezi that I created or started. It's not completely finished. And so if I go to my project and press play, you can see what it's like. I did this as a book report for a Gateway nominee this year called Someone I Used to Know. Okay, once it loads here, you can see an example of how Prezi moves. And this is just one template. Keep in mind there's lots of templates to choose from. Okay, now once I get going, I just move from frame to frame. And as I'm moving, it will zoom in, and I set those settings when I'm editing into what I want it to zoom into. And I could just go from subject to subject by clicking through. And here's, you can see where I'm not finished on this one. I can add some more. So let's say I'm ready to edit. I'm going to go into edit mode to show you what that looks like. Once I'm in edit mode, I can add all kinds of things. I can add videos, I can add charts, I can zoom into different features, and it's just fun. And just play with it and see if this works for you. Okay, so here I am. I've worked on these first few frames, but I'm going to go down here to this one because I have not worked on this one very much. So frames 11 through 22. I can add a picture here. I can add text here. I just click into it and add it. I can insert lots of things by clicking insert, and here's your options. You can embed a YouTube video here by adding its link. You can add a text box, shapes, arrows. Images is going to be a big one that you'll want to use. You can add from your library. You can upload an image. There's some free images that you can use there too. All right, so that is how it works. Once you get in and it just continues to move, if you decide you want to zoom in particular on another part, over here on the left where it says add, you can click a drop-down menu and you can choose things. And one of the things I think you might like is the zoom area. And if you click the zoom area, it will add like another frame. Like say you want to really hone in on an image, you can just add it and then you can change it around to the size of the thing you're wanting to zoom in on. So that's a really cool feature too. Once you're finished with Prezi, up here at the top, once you've finished yours, you can actually create a video of you talking about it. Either your picture can be there in the webcam beside your Prezi, or you can just show the Prezi itself. So that's really a neat way to present without having to be up in front of the class. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great time with Prezi.